plasma exchange is kind of complicated. So I am going to give a sort of high level perspective of what plasma exchange is. Essentially, and I love the word malhumors because I love Spanish, but malhumor just means the evil spirits, okay? And in vasculitis, we think that there are probably some pathologic antibodies and inflammatory mediators that are causing all kinds of trouble. And it makes sense that if we could just get rid of all of that stuff, people would do better, right? I call those the malhumors. It's just collection of things that we suspect are causing disease pathology. So when we plasma exchange people, we will run your blood through a machine that will separate out the serum, give you all your cells back, but it will pull out most of those malhumors. We can never do it down to zero. We wind up getting 90 or 95% of your bad proteins and things like of that nature out. And then we give you proteins back from just a population of other folks who donated. So we get rid of the malhumors, hopefully, and we replace it with new proteins that hopefully don't have the same inflammatory milieu, the same antibody profile, the same trouble that was being caused. So that's what plasma exchange is. So upfront, people are randomized to get that or to not get that. Bear in mind that getting that is a little bit of logistically complicated. You have to be connected to a machine. Usually, although not always, there's some ways you can do it without it. Usually, at least in the United States, we give people a dialysis catheter, which is somewhat invasive. And then you have to do it sequentially many different times, usually 5 times or so over a 1 to 2 week period.